Guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we're gonna see the major forex pair, what we have discussed, how they has been behaved. You can see here exactly it has been taken support here only somewhere. It has been fake breakdown also given, but here only somewhere you have buy, somewhere here only it came and become reversible and came downside. Okay guys, my also one SL will be triggered somewhere here only. I have kept my SL at this position and my SL has been triggered. After that continuously consolidation happened, testing. After here only somewhere I am seeing that it is consolidating and very much buyers are interested here. What happened, I have bought at this green candle only, I have bought and I kept at this red candle SL. Okay guys, you can see that very small my SL will be, and our first target reach, what we have discussed, second target also reached. I have exited. After that what happened, whole quantity I am exited here somewhere taking support. Exactly what I have done is that I am taken small risk. I have kept my SL at this position. I am buyed at this green candle. You can see that boom, we have got two trades here. You have got the logic also. I have told you the logic also in previous videos also. Go and check out also guys. This is the very nice trade in this forex pair. This week we have got almost 2 to 4 trades in every major forex pair. We can see next major forex is USD versus CHF. Okay guys, what I have told you, USD versus CHF, this is the one of the base supporting area. If it will come, then you can go for it. Otherwise it will broke, then you can go for it. What happened, continuously consolidation happening. I am seeing that after this break at this green candle only, what I have done is that at a very small stop loss I am wanted. So what happened, this is closer and this green candle is making. After that only somewhere here only I have bought and kept my SL at this green candle. Okay guys, after that I am seeing that this is the very nice trade. We have got first and second target too. This projection I have done somewhere here only. I will just shift it at upside momentum. Okay guys, so you can get it. Just a second guys, I will shift. Okay, so you can see that our first target reached, second target, third and fourth. After somewhere here only it becoming reversible and our fourth target reach, I am wanted to exit from here. So what I have done is I am exit. So you can see that we have got very nice trade up till here. So we can see next major forex AUD versus US dollar. What I have told you is that here somewhere only you have to, if it will break, then you can go for short up till here. Okay guys, after that we have got our successfully up till here. After that I have told you if it will take resistance, then go for the inside. So what happened is that we have got that thing. After that, this green candle, you can see that how big is this. Everybody who have kept their SL somewhere here, their SL will be got somewhere here triggered, because this is unexpected move. Okay guys, after that consolidation, it goes upside momentum. After it consolidate after this breakdown, you can see here, I will just shift this. You can see here first time came, second time support, this is third, fourth. How much time it will sustain? So whenever it is broken, I have taken my position. I have kept my SL at this position only. I know that the sustainability is very low. So after that only you can see that one side our first target, second and third, all three target has been reached, but at second target only I am seeing somewhere here reversible. I have exited. I am not traded this thing, and we have traded this one also. We have got two trades in AUD versus US dollar also. You can see that how nicely our trades are getting and all target are achieving. Okay guys, you can go and check out my Telegram channel also. I have keep posting there also. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys.